Hey there. I want you to envision steering your team through 2025's marketplace whirlwind. There are supply chain whiplash, shrinking budgets, AI shakeups, and talent tides that turn overnight. In that swirl, your team watches one thing first: your energy. When you walk in with centered conviction instead of caution, you reset the entire room and space. Today, I'll ignite a mindset that converts uncertainty into unmatched momentum because faith drives results faster than fear. Hey, Meshell Baker here, your Chief Confidence Igniter. Quick reality check. Disruption isn't the threat, hesitation is. True leaders are like explorers. They keep moving when the paths turn rocky, trusting the compass of conviction over the comfort of certainty. Because before they move a room, they master themselves. They spot the trigger. They pause with purpose, and they respond by design, not default. Their strategy isn't heroic leaps. It's the quiet stack of small, repeatable disciplines that compound into unstoppable momentum. Faith over fear looks like patience in motion, aligned action instead of anxious hustle. Practice this daily, and your confidence shifts from something you seek to something you forge. Your team will reflect that strength in every choice they make. And there's data that underscores the impact. Gallup's State of the Global Workplace 2025 reveals 70% of team engagement is directly attributable to the leader's attitude and actions. And the American Psychiatric Association reports 60% of US adults rely on faith or spirituality to boost mental wellness under stress. You see, when you model grounded belief, you lift engagement and resilience. Faith is a strategic asset you activate, not an emotion you wait to feel. Each faith-driven choice rewires neural pathways toward confidence, shrinking the fear circuit that drains productivity. As the mind shifts, behavior follows, and the organization evolves. Your belief isn't just personal, it's the catalyst that multiplies clarity, creativity, and courageous execution across every organizational function. So, introduce the belief briefing, an energizing 3-minute ritual to open your next meeting. 1, begin with 3 deep breaths together. 2, highlight one team win that emerged from adversity. And 3, ask, given our track record, what bold move will you champion today? Just 3 minutes, grounding, galvanizing, and a powerful cue to lead with belief before doings begin. Leading with conviction and watch engagement, innovation, and profit accelerate. Faith is your competitive edge, so wield it. Now, drop a comment below and tell me, where can you practice this pause this week? Share this with someone ready to level up their leadership. I am Meshell Baker, the Chief Confidence Igniter and Transformational Speaker. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who could use a motivational moment. And until next week, be the reason someone feels confident and delivers excellence.